Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to set different volume level for different softwares or programs in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me open one software, say Edge web browser. So I have opened my own YouTube channel. So I have opened this program named as Edge browser. So let me minimize it. Now in order to set a different volume level for different softwares or programs, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to this tray icon, that is the volume icon, and just right click on it, and now you will see here one option written open volume mixer. Just click on it. Now you can see here just below here under the apps, you can see your system sounds. So right now it's in the 100%, and right now I have opened one software, Microsoft Edge, and right now I'm recording using one software, so it's showing in 100%. So say I want to set a different volume level for this Microsoft Edge, then what I will do, I'll just drag it. You can even mute it also if you drag it to 0. Right now I'll just keep it to 50. So whenever I will open back again after closing this application, still this program will have a volume of 50% even if I close and reopen it again. So you can change the system sounds also. If you want to set the volume to 50, you can put it to 50 also. So right now I will put it in the 100. So by going to this option, you can set different volume level for different softwares or programs in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this option available in your Windows computer to set different volume level for different programs or softwares in Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.